Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2749th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in. So tonight I've got a busy night. I just got back from a car dealer, and now I've got to bring my daughter Natalie, my little superstar, to a recording studio for 4 hours. So I thought I would at least show you a few charts before I run out the door. This is for trading on Tuesday, May 14th, 2024. Before we get started, please remember how risky trading is. Risk, risk, risk. No matter what anyone tells you, if they tell you trading's guaranteed, they're lying. Put your stops in, put them in first. Never trade without putting your stops in, okay? Let's move forward. Dow Jones Daily Bar. The OMNI, which is Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator, has been bullish, bullish, bullish. Then in the last day, it went into a wave me off pattern, and now it is neutral. So the likelihood is it's getting ready to turn back down, but I can't tell it what it's going to do. I can tell you it went from bullish to wave me off to neutral. We'll see what it wants to do on Wednesday. So that's what it has in most of our U.S. indices, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Russell, the ES. So we're probably going to not do much. I mean, I'd probably sell into a rally if I was forced to trade ES tomorrow. But I'm not forced to trade, so we might not do anything, being that the OMNI has gone neutral. We'll play it one day at a time. But of course, I will spend my day at livewithoscar.com in my trading room with my Omniacs. By the way, our trading rooms had some issues over the last 2 weeks. I'm sure you've noticed them. Don't sweat it. We've been able to reproduce those issues to our programmer, and he should be able to correct them. You know, the issues have been you're in a trading room, you're typing, the next thing you know, it looks like you're there, but you're typing to nobody. Those issues are being corrected. I'll let you know when we're done with those. So what else do we have? Traders, please like and share these videos. This way the algorithms pick us up on YouTube. Hit that like button right now. Let's go look at another market. So the next thing I want to show you is this. Traders, I've been talking to you about Bitcoin for a while and telling you that it was at a do or die spot a few days back. It held that do or die spot. Hooray, hooray, Bitcoin held. Got back into the channel, right? It came out of the channel and tested the average, but it held, do or die. Rallied up, came back. It's been testing the average. We are still in buy the dips mode in your Bitcoin on a daily basis. That could change, but for now we are in a buy the dips mode in Bitcoin, especially when we are above that average. So far, so good on holding the average, getting back into the channel, and I promise you that this channel, in all likelihood, is nothing more than this. Likely is we're going to find out that this is nothing more than a big old bull flag, but I'm not going to give it a name. I'm not going to give it a label. It's going to tell us what it is. So for now, we'll move the flagpole away. We'll call it just the channel. And it's been holding above the average. So you got to love Bitcoin. So far, so good. We'd be a buyer of deep dips. And we've got some other markets that we like trading tomorrow at livewithoscar.com. I'm not going to show you the charts right now, but I will tomorrow if you show up in my free trading room at Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you put your stops in first. Always, always do that. Keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, say this to yourselves over and over again. It'll help you with your emotions. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.